In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a hotel booking website in Wix. To get started, you first need to begin a new project inside Wix. Open Wix and look for the option to create a new site. When you see it, click Create New Site. This step matters because it initializes the builder and prepares Wix to create the structure for your website. Next, you will choose the editing experience you want to use. Wix offers different editors, and for this process, we will use Wix Harmony Editor. Click Wix Harmony Editor when you are prompted to select an editor. If you are seeing an interface selection screen, take a moment to confirm that you are choosing the Harmony option, since that will influence what tools and prompts you see later. After that, Wix may show a small setup assistant or a chat-style guide. You can either select Let's Go or Skip Chat. Choose Let's Go if you want Wix to guide you with suggestions as you build, but choose Skip Chat if you prefer to move straight to the dashboard. Either choice is fine, and this is simply about how you want the setup to feel while you work. Now you are ready to tell Wix what you want to build. Enter a site description that clearly explains your goal. Type Create a hotel booking website where customers can view rooms, check availability, and make reservations. This is an important step because Wix uses your wording to generate a starting point that matches your project. If you can, keep the wording clear and direct, like the example provided, so Wix understands the core features you want. Once you have entered that description, Wix will process it and prepare an initial draft. Now click Generate or go to Dashboard. If you see both options, Generate typically builds the site based on your request, while Go to Dashboard may take you straight into your workspace. Either way, your goal is to get to the point where Wix creates something you can edit. As the site is generating, you may see loading screens or progress indicators. This is normal, and it means Wix is pulling together layouts, pages, and basic content that align with your description. During this time, you may want to keep an eye on the screen for what Wix outputs, such as the kinds of pages it creates and how it labels sections related to rooms and booking. When the generation completes, or when you reach the dashboard, you should see your Wix workspace with your website draft ready to customize. At this stage, your next actions would typically involve reviewing the pages and features that were generated, confirming that you have what you need for room viewing, availability, and reservations, and then adjusting the design so it fits your style. To keep moving confidently, scan what Wix has created and make sure it aligns with the statement you entered. Look for areas where customers can view rooms, sections that relate to checking availability, and the reservation flow that allows bookings. If anything seems unclear, you can usually edit those components in Wix's editor. But first, you need to verify that the foundation is there, and that covers everything you need to know. Once you have your Wix hotel booking website generated and opened in the dashboard, you are ready to start customizing and refining it into a site that is ready for real visitors and real reservations. And that is all there is to it.